Welcome back to Facts. In today's video, we are going to be looking at all possible Dogecoin catalysts that could potentially drive the token's price to a great extent. It is important for you all to know where this crypto stands and what is Musk's current involvement with Dogecoin. Did you know that we are likely to witness another Dogecoin spike? The current price action of Dogecoin is something that can be defined as the calm before a massive storm. Therefore, if you are interested in knowing about the token, especially what Elon Musk has in his basket for Doge, make sure to watch this video till the end. We all look into the prospective price prediction of this token and will make you know about the excellent pointers that, as investors, you should be mindful of. However, before jumping straight into the video, you should note that the crypto market is highly dynamic and changes frequently. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the token price action would have switched to a whole different range. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not, in any manner, intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content in this video is so curated to suffice the purpose of being informative and educational. You are requested to content your diligent research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. Dogecoin is the first ever meme coin ever created that has gotten an enormous amount of audience love and support. Adding to Dogecoin's success, the world has turned upside down for all those who never thought this token would not make anything, but is a mere disgrace to the entire traditional cryptocurrency market. Instead, because of Dogecoin, the market is noticing a considerable crowd of highly innovative tokens that are literally built to solve the daily problems, directly connecting with the consumer problems. However, after hitting its all-time high at 74 cents, it declined drastically with a rate that is entirely opposite to what experts and other analysts had thought. Well, not to mention, the token was really affected after the market hit a wall and was declining. From a technical point of view, Dogecoin had lost almost all hope after declining at such a drastic rate and barely maintaining its support levels. Last day, on 7th August, we had seen a huge spike. Dogecoin was finally up by 40%. This was massive. Everybody had been wondering to receive a word from Dogecoin even when the entire market was trading green. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of all cryptos started to trade up, but Dogecoin was barely maintaining its support. But for a change, the meme token is finally going up and regaining its speed. So, the 40% spike in its price that Doge showcased technically surpassed all of the altcoin's previous price trajectories. Well, the rate at which Dogecoin is at presently marks a huge spike head alert. Now, since the market has come to a realization that Dogecoin is rising again, with a higher possibility of retesting its all-time highs, more individual and institutional investors are likely to invest in this token. So, the last week can be labeled as a golden week for all major altcoins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin especially saw a considerable upswing. On Dogecoin price, we already see a correction of about 10%. However, this correction is justified when we compared the correction with the spike, which is approximately 40%. So when we compared the Dogecoin price date, the token dropped from its all-time high on 7th May to its lowest at $0.17 on 22nd June. The token bounced off from this level. However, it couldn't validate an upswing because, at that peak time, the market was trading in a bearish cycle. Therefore, Dogecoin rose as high as $27 and dropped again to the lowest at $16 on 20th June 2021. After barely surviving that drop, the token traded sideways for almost 2 weeks straight without any price variation. And on 6th August 2021, we could witness a 40% straight price spike. If you bought the dip at the price of $20 on 6th August, man, you took in some good money. According to Dogecoin's historical trading, the price spike resembles a similar spike that took place on its charts on 23rd April, right before the token went for its all-time highs. This is very important to note because Dogecoin is very likely to run towards an extraordinary target at the current market rate, pulling in all of its positive catalysts at once. We do have other news on the crypto market that might become an essential factor in determining your short-term investment. On the 11th of August 2021, the July Consumer Price Index would be released at 8:30 a.m. This is crucial because usually before these events, there is fear in the mainstream financial market, especially in the alarming rates of its inflation. Well, that would undoubtedly affect the crypto market because, as history speaks, crypto is also a platform where people gamble their money. Even though inflation is good for the crypto market because it allows investors to an efficient alternative platform to double their money, we never know what turn would the market take. This type of news might take a bad turn for crypto or a really good crowd of investment inflows. Therefore, there are high chances that Dogecoin experiences a consolidation around this date, or it might as well run for its all-time highs. Well, given the fact that the last inflation index caused the entire financial and crypto market to tank, there are higher chances that this time the situation might alter and people would invest more in cryptos. We have the Fear and Greed Index finally turning to be green. This index tells us where the market is exactly. It is bearish or bullish. According to the index, the greed point is at 74, meaning the market has witnessed a high buying pull, making the market a bullish cycle. Till now, we do not see a bearish market as indicators do not indicate a fear index in the market. This is great because this validates a bullish upswing for Dogecoin as well. The token is currently on a healthy correction. This is something that you should be worried about. The correction in the price action of the token was expected as Dogecoin went way too high, crossing the relative strength index. However, it wouldn't be accurate to say that Dogecoin will soon break out from this support range, mainly because of the upcoming CPI release. Therefore, it is important to wait until you find that perfect spot to invest your money into. On Dogecoin's support, we have here Oscar Mayer, the famous brand for wieners, that on 4th August announced its limited edition pack of Hot Doge wieners with a cash value of 10,000 Dogecoins that would sum up to around $2,400 at the current Dogecoin price. To push wieners' interest further, Oscar Mayer produced only one pack that was put up for bid on eBay at a starting bid of $0.99. Well, the audience went a bit insane, and the company witnessed a massive response that broke the eBay link, pushing the bid up to $3,450 in the day. Apart from Oscar Mayer, Doge was also featured in July on Axe's limited edition of Doge Can supplies. Those were all sold out immediately after its launch. Well, all that marketing definitely worked for the companies and Dogecoin as well. Technically, Dogecoin must avoid and trade above the 24 cents pivot to bring the first significant resistance level to 28 cents. Looking at the border market, the Dogecoin price rally would be needing to break through this level of resistance to validate a run towards 30 cents at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, following which the next target would be at 38 cents towards the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. A trade above the 30 cents level is likely to validate another huge spike rise, which, when combined with the tech billionaires update on the crypto, is likely to give rise to something huge. We are eagerly awaiting for the month of December to arrive because, according to analysts and crypto experts, December would be the time when Bitcoin hits a $100 mark, which would potentially elevate a spike in Dogecoin's price action as well. Therefore, you are advised to invest in Dogecoin strategically and not in a hurry because there are chances that the token would see a drop. It is advisable to wait for a significant drop, not consolidation from which Dogecoin would bounce off. That drop would be your buying spot. It is now time for the comment of the day, which is from Rocky Minieri, who says, "Doge will come through, just keep holding." We can't agree with you more, Rocky. We hope you liked this video. And if you did, make sure you hit the like button and let us know in the comment section about the coin that you would be investing in the coming days. Also, let us know your opinion about this cryptocurrency that has a high chance of boosting up to the highest marks in the market. Make sure you stay tuned with us at Facts to stay updated with all that has been happening with Dogecoin. Till the next time we meet, keep investing and make the right choices.